They had a older daughter that was kind of like Heidi West. And then a younger daughter was really cute.
Oh, we're on Spore Road.
We're not to the schoolhouse yet, huh?
Not to the schoolhouse yet. Okay.
Truck coming, dude.
Yeah, and one behind me too. Good, you like that one. So this is where Carl had a wreck one day. And then stopped and somebody hit him.
On the tractor?
No, taking us to school.
Ah.
It wasn't, he knew it was a bad spot, so he wasn't going very fast, but he still had an accident. And one time Dad was traveling this road, going back and forth, and he got over too far and rolled the truck down through there.
Oh, jeez.
But he never got hurt.
It's a little bit of a drop off.
Yeah. This is the site of a Reed school. Of course, none of this was here back then.
So this is a school you had to walk to?
Yep,
So when you lived at the factory, you just had to walk up this far.
up the hill. Yep. So that is actually the schoolhouse, and then they built on to live in, make it more livable, and where that around that area, that tree, that was where the woodshed was, because when they burned wood, they had to have a woodshed.
You don't want to pull over like that.
Why?
Just there's a rise behind you. I don't want somebody coming over at 80 miles an hour
Yeah, you never know.
in the back of you.
Or maybe a horse and buggy.
I meant pull over the side.
And then I don't want to go over.
It's not steep.
And then they must have tunneled out underneath of the place. And so, and then of course this whole hillside, you know, we used to sleigh ride down. And our outhouses used to be, the girls was up above there, and the boys was down here a little further.
That's why the grass is so green.
Could be. I doubt it.
Oh, they probably have a pit there.
Okay, so we're coming home from the farm. And we see a bunch of flashing lights. And so we get home, and there's an ambulance there, and Carl's up in one of the bedrooms crying, and I don't know where Dale went. He might have went home. That farm up on the hill there, that was where Dale Eicher was raised, and he was the one driving the tractor.
And when does Dad die?
I don't remember the time sequence.
Oh, I didn't know if it was before or after.
I mean, I'm trying to remember. I just don't remember if he died before his dad, or I mean, if the accident happened before his dad or after. But I would guess his dad died already. Otherwise, he probably would have been running around the country with a tractor. So, because his mother was a little more permissive, Margaret. So anyway, their friend, Alfred Ahmet, came up to visit, and he walked from their farm, which is, you can't see it, it's further away over a ways yet. Might even be that silo you can see way over there. Anyway, he walked up to the Eicher farm, and Carl probably walked up from the factory, and they hopped on this tractor, and they were just joyriding. They came up to the farm, talked to me and Dad, went back to the farm, and then Alfred says, well, I got to get home. And Dale says, well, I'll give you a ride. And so they come out the drive, down the hill, and they're making the turn, and Alfred loses his grip, grabs the tire, and bump right over it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's what happened.
How old was he, do you think?
Well, they were all in high school,
Okay.
you know.
Grab the tire.
We think, you know, it had to be something like that.
Well, I guess you got the big tires in the back, so that could be.
Car coming.
Big tractor coming.
See, that would have rolled right over us back there.
Yeah.
It'd be a story.
Then, I don't know if you know about Rudy, he shot a boy once.
Yeah, loading his weapon. Where did he did that at?
They were over by Yellowstone somewhere, deer hunting. They were getting in the car, and he thought that somehow it was a pump shotgun, and they were unloading, and somehow it went off, shot the kid right in the chest and killed him. He was a twin. And in fact, David Ann goes to our church, their dad. I think the mother's dead.
Oh, I know where we are now.
Rudy's serenading his chickens.
Yep.
Yeah, they help some lay.
Probably.